Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the DTI app and sign in with your username and password. Tap the profile icon to confirm your account and regional settings. Ensure location and notification permissions are enabled in your device settings. This lets event markers appear accurately on the map. Check that you have at least 30 minutes available to play and a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection. Close background apps to reduce lag. Keep your battery above 20% or plug in a charger while you search. Tap the Events tab at the bottom of the screen to view active happenings. Then choose the filter icon and select Emoji Hunt from the event list. Apply the filter and wait for the map to refresh with event markers. Use the map zoom to a 1-mile radius to reveal nearby emoji markers and hotspots. Look for purple emoji icons and a countdown timer showing minutes left. If no markers appear, refresh the Events tab and toggle location permissions quickly. Tap a purple emoji icon on the map, then press Join to start that specific emoji hunt. Follow the in-app waypoint and tap each found emoji to log your discovery. You must collect 5 different emoji types within 30 minutes to earn the participation reward. Some emoji require solving a short riddle or tapping a specific object on screen. After you complete the collection, open the Rewards tab and claim prizes immediately. Claiming gives stickers, experience points, and 50 coins credited to your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.